Hey everyone, getting pulled over or stopped by the police can be really stressful. Your heart starts pounding, and you might not know what to do. But knowing your rights is your superpower in these situations. It can help you stay calm, safe, and protect yourself legally. Today, we're breaking down 7 crucial things to say and not to say when you're stopped by law enforcement. This isn't legal advice, but it's essential information every citizen should know to navigate these encounters confidently. So, let's get into it. First, let's talk about what you should say. Number 1. Officer, am I being detained, or am I free to go? This is the most important question you can ask. It clarifies your legal status. If they say you're free to go, you can leave calmly. If you're being detained, it means they have a reasonable suspicion you're involved in a crime, and you're not free to leave. This question forces the officer to define the situation, which is critical for everything that follows. It's polite, direct, and establishes the ground rules of the encounter. Number 2. I do not consent to any searches. This is a big one. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures. Police often ask for permission to search your car, your bag, or your person by saying something like, "You don't mind if I take a look, do you?" They're asking because they usually need your consent. You have the right to say no. State it clearly and calmly. Officer, I do not consent to any searches. Don't get into an argument or physically resist. Just make your refusal verbal and clear. If they search anyway, your refusal can be a crucial point for your lawyer later. Number 3. I am going to remain silent. You've heard it on TV, and it's 100% real. The Fifth Amendment gives you the right to remain silent to avoid self-incrimination. After you provide your name and basic identification, you can and should exercise this right. Police are trained to ask questions that might get you to admit to something, even unintentionally. Simply state, "Officer, I am going to remain silent, and I would like a lawyer." Then, stop talking. It might feel awkward, but saying less is almost always better. Your silence cannot be used against you in court. Now, let's switch gears to what you should not say. Number 1 on this list, don't say "I only had 1 drink," or "2 drinks," or any variation of that. This is a confession. You're admitting to drinking before driving, which gives the officer probable cause to conduct a field sobriety test or a breathalyzer. Instead of trying to explain or minimize, refer back to your right to remain silent. If you're asked if you've been drinking, the best response is no response at all or to simply state you re-exercising your right to silence. Don't volunteer any information that can be used against you. Next, please don't say, "Here, you can check." This is you giving consent to a search. Remember what we said earlier. You have the right to refuse searches. Once you give consent, you waive your Fourth Amendment protection for that search. Officers might try to make it sound like a casual request, but it has serious legal consequences. It's much safer to politely decline and say, "I do not consent to searches, keep your power." Don't give it away. Number 6, and this is about your attitude. Don't argue, raise your voice, or get angry. I know it's easier said than done, especially if you feel you're being treated unfairly. But escalating the situation will not help you. It can make the officer feel threatened and can lead to you being charged with things like disorderly conduct or resisting arrest. Stay as calm and respectful as you can, keep your hands visible, and don't make any sudden movements. Your goal is to get through the encounter safely. You can fight for your rights in court later, not on the side of the road. And finally, number 7. Do not lie or provide false information. Lying to a police officer is a crime in itself, often called obstructing justice or a similar charge. Even a small, seemingly harmless lie can create huge problems for you. It destroys your credibility and can result in additional criminal charges. If you don't want to answer a question, don't invent an answer. Instead, rely on your right to remain silent. It's your constitutional shield. So, to recap, ask if you're detained. State that you don't consent to searches. And exercise your right to remain silent. Avoid admitting to anything, giving consent, arguing, or lying. Knowing these simple rules can make a world of difference. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this information helps you feel more prepared and empowered. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that matters. Stay safe out there.